Hi friends, this is Mama Jibran and welcome to our C tutorials. In the previous video, I had shown you how to write a text to a text file, and now I will explain you how to read a text from the text file. So let's begin with our code. Like we have created a file pointer in our previous video, we will have to again create that pointer again to point to our desired file. Once we have that pointer, we can go and create one variable, a character variable. I'll tell you why we need it later on. And just to define the path for our file, as you all know, we have to use this function, that is fopen, which has two parameters. The first parameter is the path or the destination, where we want to open our file or where our file is situated. So the path for my file is in my D test folder, again test folder, and in that I have a file named file.txt. So if I open that folder for you, here you can see I have a file with the name file.txt. The contents is the same which we wrote with our program, that is, this is a line written from C code. So I want that to be printed to my console. So I have given away the path, and now I will tell my program that I want to read the contents of this file. So once I have that, I will just have a printf which will go like this, that the contents are, give some couple of line breaks, and in that I will pass the address of our file, that is our path or path to the file. And after that I will be using one while loop, in which I will say that I will be getting the each and every character of that file. So I will use this function fgetC. So I will get all the characters one by one till I reach EOF, which stands for end of file. So until I reach the end of file, I will get all the characters, and I will be printing them one by one to my console, that is my ch. So okay, just forgot this. And once I am done with that, I will close my file with the same function, that is fclose. Here's my file, and that's it. So now let's run the application. It says the contents are, this line is written from C code. So this is how you can read from the files. That was simple. We did exactly like the way we did for writing. We used the same function, the same path. Instead of W, which stands for writing, we gave R, which stands for reading. And we used a simple while loop, in which we use this function fgetC with the parameter file path, which will be getting all the characters one by one until we reach the end of file, and we are printing that one by one to our console. And once we had printed all the contents of that file, we close that file. So this is how you can read and write in the files. Or and you might want to do checking if this pointer is null, if we don't have a file at this location, because when we were writing we created a file, but if we are reading, our computer expects that that file already exists in our system. So you might want to do a checking beforehand before you want to print it to the console. So you might use an if condition to check if that file exists or not. If that file does not exist, give a user a defined message which says him that this file does not exist. So that was it. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching it.